There's just something about flying drones and aerial photography that I just love. Being able to see the world from the sky with something you can buy from, almost any electronics store these days for a really reasonable price. It's just mind-blowing. This video is the start of a passion for myself and my friend Luke. I hope you all enjoy.